This method of potato eggs, I'm sure many of you haven't seen it. So everyone, welcome. Today I made something delicious with potatoes and eggs. You don't bring your meals home. Just find a home-cooked dish that suits potatoes to buy next. You do as I did once. Super simple. No need to fry. No need to fry. First, the potato set aside for later use. Burn oil and pour a little cooking oil into heat the oil to 50. Add the chops. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The smell comes out. Then add the sliced potatoes. Just fry it out of the fragrance. I need everyone's help here. Pour in a little water. Add monosodium glutamate salt. After the water is fully, we quickly and slowly pour in the egg liquid. Then cover the pot. Switch to minimum. Simmer here for about 3 minutes. Potatoes and eggs are fully wrapped. This method of potatoes can be soaked in special fragrance. About the same. We open the lid. The eggs are fully set. Finally, drizzle a small spoonful of light so evoke scent. Continue to fold it evenly with the sauteed. Just boil until the soup is completely dried in the pot. Finally, sprinkle with sexy little stir-fry evenly and serve. Pot and plate. If you like my video, often share tips for going to restaurant. Don't forget to watching with family in Guangjian. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.